Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to use Explore tool. So let us have a look at it. Now you can see that the mouse cursor is in a different symbol. So in order to use the Explore tool, you can see under map you can find Explore. Now you can see how the mouse has been changed. Now it is showing the fingers. Okay, so now using this you can identify what this feature is. For example, if you use the mouse left click, you'll be getting pop-up like this. You can identify what this feature is about, what the attribute is containing in this features. Like this you can identify. As you can see, here is some details are available, and you can see when I am selecting this, it is getting updated. Likewise, you can just on a single click you can know about this area, what it is, what all the information is present in the attribute table. Likewise, you can also view for points. You just need to click on those points in order to find those informations. So after clicking, you can see that it is a fire station which is located outside Chennai. So like this you can use the Explore tool to identify the features, what the data it contains. You can have a quick look at it. You can also use this Explore tool to navigate in and around map. Please use mouse left click. You can navigate in and around map while digitizing. Mouse left click, you can easily navigate in and around your maps. Left click, or you can use the scroll button, long press the scroll button, you can move like this, you can move. So these are the few uses of Explore tool in ArcGIS Pro. I hope this will be useful. If you are having any other doubts, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.